Wow.
Alright, so today we are going to be unboxing the LG DualUp Monitor Ergo. Yeah, weird name. Even weirder monitor because it's supposed to be basically two landscape monitors put on top of each other. Instead of two, it's just one, you know? Okay, let's just open the box. So, excuse my keys because I cannot be bothered to get a proper name. Alright. So assembly is very much required here. Got some manuals. So we've got a few assortment of cables here. Power brick, nice and beefy. Got foam. What is this? More foam. That's not happening.
Do that a couple more times?
Probably just cable management cover. You hide the ugliness. Yeah. So this is neat. So this is actually a desk mount, so you don't have to purchase one. Yeah, and then, this is nice because you got tension control on the arm too. Okay, let's get the monitor itself. That was loud. All right, the main event, folks. Whoa, that's so interesting. I feel like, okay. I don't have it mounted yet, but I just from an ergonomic standpoint, if this was mounted, I don't really think this is ergonomic because you're gonna have to crane your head. But I feel like we should install it on a desk and find out. So what's really nice is that this is actually quite long, internet appropriate, and it seems like it can accommodate a number of tables here. Oh, look at that. Boss knows best. Okay. Little, just quick death grip on the side here. No, this is not coming off. Sorry, LG, we're not giving this back. And then boss up here, if you look up, if you want to look up. Here, I can help you from here. The disadvantage of styrofoam packaging, folks. Nice. Wait, almost there, almost there. Whew.
That is sexy.
Almost, there we go. Then, what is this?
I think it's cool that you put it mount right out of the box.
Yeah, and this, I like how it's fully articulating too. It's quite nice, and it stretches out a little bit. We've got multiple inputs actually, so we've also got a display port in, two HDMI sources, then we've got two USB-A for data, and then also USB-B for some reason. I don't know who still uses this. Power, headphones, although I would never use that. Yeah, that's like one of the original LG Ultrawides. What would you choose?
Or both.
Or both. Yeah, that would be a pretty kick-ass workstation.
Mount also rotates.
Well, let's turn it on. Oh, there it is.
It's coming?
It's there. Oh, good.
It's
gotta work.
Beautiful.
Okay, this is a long boy.
It's a,
Not bad. I feel like we need to get a mouse and keyboard here.
3 hours later.
It's a couple things. Okay. Why are you so tired, Harley?
Because it's the end of the workday. So we got the monitor set up, and honestly, the first impression is that it is unique. It's really cool because you're not used to this form factor for a monitor. In fact, if I put pages in full screen, it really does resemble like a sheet of paper more than anything. But I think if you are the type of person who likes it more vertical, that's totally fine too. Or you want to have like just pages or your one Word document full screen, that would be, I mean, this is great for that. This is awesome. You really want to be in with your thesis, this is definitely the monitor for you. I think the point they were trying to address was people who do like the dual monitor setup vertically. And this is their solution to that because you don't have that seam in the middle. So it's just a seamless experience for the people who like that. I'm not one of those people who like their two monitors up and like vertically. I'm the horizontal guy. Like I'd rather have this than this. But this is the first time they're building one that actually addresses the whole vertical issue. So if you like your monitors vertical, this is it. So this is the LG DualUp Monitor Ergo. Thank you again so much for LG for sending us this monitor. Now, would you buy this? Do you like your monitor vertical or horizontal? Let us know in the comments down below. I'm Harley Moreno with Android Authority. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, subscribe on YouTube, all the social media, and we'll see you in the next one.